So hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm here with some exciting video. There are many requests to add the video for Ella theme setup, like how we can set up Ella theme into the Shopify, the step-by-step procedure. So I got you covered, like how we can set up the theme, how we can import the demo for a particular demo. So I have concluded all of that in the video. So make sure you guys are following me and subscribing me to my channel to get more informative videos. So let's go straight forward to the theme folder what we got when we purchased this theme. Okay, so this is a Ella theme. We have multiple demos of it. Like you guys all have already known that this is a very popular theme into the Shopify, and we can use this theme, but it's quite tricky to install the demo. So let's go straight forward. And yeah, so once you download the theme, you will get the zip folder, something like this. And into this folder, you will need to search like Ella Shopify and click on that, and you will find a zip folder in that. And you just need to simply click over there, drag that folder, and paste over here, like just drag and do this. Okay, I'm not importing again in the video because I have already imported just now, before starting the video, because it takes a while to import the theme. So let's take a quick preview of the theme, how it has been imported. So it's showing me the header, that's what we got. Like it's showing the proper header and the theme. It is showing the first demo, like home classic has been imported by default. So yeah, this is how we just need to add the images. That's it, guys. Like this is very pretty theme. And if you check for the products, if we have the product, we can have the demo for the product as well. But like literally you just need to add the images and the configure the menu. That's it, and your theme is ready. If you want to use the classic homepage, but if you want to use this homepage, the trendy style or the high fashion or the pet supplies or the jewelry, how to do that? So let me cover you for that. So let's go into the this themes page, how it look like. So this is how it look like. Okay, so this is, remember the name of the homepage, it is a homepage thing. So Ella provides the theme documentation link as well, where they have given all of the information. So we need to follow step by step according to that. So first we have imported the theme, and then we have checked the theme if it's working correctly. So okay, so it's working correctly. So now we need to import the demo. So for importing the demo, you need to scroll down at the section presets for homepage. Okay, and as we are selecting the jewelry theme, right? So you will need to click on jewelry's index JSON. Okay, and copy this raw data. Wait a minute. Control A, Control C. Okay, and go to edit code of the theme which we have been imported. Okay, and then find the index.json file. Okay, and replace all the code. Okay, and save. Fine, it's done. And then next move to setting data.json. So we need to do the same for this as well. Setting data.json, and go over here, edit code, and find that setting.json file and paste the code over here. Hmm? Let's check if the data has been imported or not. So as you can see, guys, the layout has been changed, and layout is coming like the jewelry theme, like this, right? So it is as simple as it is. Like, see, by only replacing the files for the index.json and settings.json, it has given you the whole demo for the template 10, which is for the jewelry. Again, if you want to import the header and the footer as well, there are the files as well. So let's go over that. So copy the header group JSON, go to the code, search for the header JSON. Header, that was the header group, by the way, header group dot JSON. Replace the files and save. Next, what we have is, I guess, footer. Yes, footer. So click on the footer and it will redirect you to the footer JSON. And again, here, go over here, footer group JSON. So just simply replace the file for the footer and let's check if it has been imported correctly. So look, we have the header like our demo, we have the data, all of the section like the demo, and we have the footer like the demo as well. So guys, this is very simple and straightforward way to import the demo for the Ella theme. So this is the most popular theme. Please do subscribe and let me know in the comments if you if you still face the issue in importing the Ella theme. Ping me down and I will be there to help you. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.